So guys, I'm actually thinking of coming back to YouTube. I don't know, but I don't have any content to upload yet. So that's why I'm actually giving it a second thought whether I'm going to come back to YouTube or whether I'm just going to give it some more time to think about what to do. But personally, I really want to get back to YouTube because I have a lot of ideas, but I haven't really had time to picture out those ideas, start filming, or doing something that will probably lead to me uploading more videos. So until next time, expect more from me, but not anytime soon because I will really need some more time to figure out what to do, how to do it, and how I'm going to produce the content I'm going to be posting here because it's really getting to me that I haven't uploaded any videos since the year 2026 started, and this is April. That's for 4 months. I have not uploaded anything to the channel, so I really think that I should really start doing something. Although I'm not monetized yet, but even if I still have to find out something I can do to the channel so that I have something that I will say that okay this year. But trust me, before 2026 runs out, I'm going to upload up to 2 to 3 videos. I would make that a an assurance. I assure you guys that I'm going to be uploading at least 2 videos that I'm going to use as a signature for this year. Even if it's not about gardening, but I'm sure that I'm going to upload like 2 different videos for you guys that's going to be related to the channel. So until next time, please subscribe, like, comment your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in that next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.